In today's video, we're going to upload our 2022 monthly planner to Amazon KDP. Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me on this video. As I mentioned, this video is going to be how to upload our book to Amazon KDP, and also this video is going to be part of the playlist how to create a monthly planner in Canva. I'm gonna link this playlist on your right hand corner. And guys, if you like videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. So with that being said, let's get started. Let me briefly recap what we did until now. We did our research in BookBolt. We found this 22-23 monthly planner. After that, we validate this niche. We decided to create 2022 monthly planner because it's going to be easy for us. We created our interior in Canva. We have personal info, 2 contact pages, 2 pages with website logins. After that, special dates and birthdays. 2022 yearly overview, followed by 1 note page. And after that, monthly overview in 2 pages, followed by 2 notes pages. This is until the end of the year. Let me open this to show you. This is the whole interior. Just wait a few seconds, as you can see. And at the end of the year, we have 4 pages for yearly overview. And because mostly these kind of planners, they are with flower patterns designs, we went to Creative Fabrica and we searched for flowers clip art. We found this author. We also searched inside the author page, and we downloaded few of his files. After that, we upload these files in Canva and created our pattern design, and we create our cover also in Canva. And now we have our cover and our interior ready to upload to Amazon KDP. This is our cover and this is our interior, 61 pages. We did our research in Amazon and fill everything in this spreadsheet. So now we have everything ready to upload our book to Amazon. We need to go to our KDP Central main page, open a paperback, and here we need to upload our title, subtitle, author name, description, 7 keyword boxes, enter the categories. I preview everything because it's gonna be easy for us. So our title is 2022 monthly planner. The subtitle, I took this subtitle from our spreadsheet. I created my spreadsheets in colors, and this how it's easy for me to decide which keywords to go in title, subtitle, and on 7 keyword boxes. So let me close this one. So the subtitle is 12-month planner 2022, January to December. Planner again, I will delete this because it's like keyword stuff. Monthly only, and I can put this in brackets as well. And at the end, I can enter cute flowers pattern design or flower pattern design. That's how I'm explaining everything about the book. Okay, so I'm gonna use the author name for my previous videos. I already have Howling Composition notebook. I'm going to use this author name for all of my YouTube videos. So after that, the description, I'm doing my description very based, and I'm trying to not complicate this because Amazon doesn't index the descriptions. So we have 2022 monthly planner, our title and subtitle. After that, this planner is perfect to write daily schedules, plans, ideas and thoughts. The features of the planner, I put everything here. Makes a great gifts for birthday, Christmas and any occasion. Grab your copy today. And after that, the categories, I took my categories from Tangent templates, but if you don't have Tangent templates, BookBolt, they has free category finder. When you're on main page, you need to go on resources, category finder, and here you need to enter the keywords and you will find the categories, but the easy way is to go on Amazon and check in which categories the best sellers are trying to rank. So take your time to do your research and find the right categories, but don't overcomplicate everything. Just check in which categories the bestseller books are selling and put this in yours. I did the same. So after that, we need to press save and continue. Just let me go back for a second. On the category, if you don't have your category enter, just press choose categories, and from here you start searching for categories, fiction, non-fiction. Mostly our books is going to be on non-fiction, and you start to searching your category. So let's go on next page. There you go. We need to assign our free KDP ISBN number. Just assign. After that, scroll a little bit down, and here we need to enter our manuscript and our size. Our book is going to be 8.5 by 11 with bleed. If your book is without bleed, just leave it like is. Bleed, made cover. So here we're going to upload our manuscript. Just press this button, and this is our manuscript. Just open this, wait few seconds to load. There you go. Here we need to enter our cover. You need to press here, upload a cover you already have, and after that upload your cover file. Press this button, grab your cover and open. Wait few more seconds, and after that, a very important thing, we need to launch the previewer, because when somebody says my book is not going through, you need to launch the previewer, because otherwise I will try and you see it gives me an error. That's why we need to launch the previewer, and here is going to take 30 seconds or 5-10 minutes. It depends of the speed of the internet and probably how Amazon are busy. But we're going to wait. There you go, our previewer is ready. You can see how it looks, and if you have any errors, it's going to be here with red signs. So if you want to see your cover closer, you need to press the plus sign and just move this and check if there is any errors. From here you can check how it looks inside. This is the first page. After that, contacts, website logins, special dates and birthdays, 22 yearly overview, and here how starts the January, 2 note pages, February, 2 note pages until December. So press approve, and after that it's going to open. Here you can check if everything is correct, and save and continue, and it's going to open the pricing page. There you go, and here we need to enter the price. Let's price this $6.99. When you hit this, it's gonna preload all other countries, but we need to fix the prices. So here is going to be $5.99 because it's in pounds. $6.99, $6.99, $6.99. You can just copy this from the Japan, you need to calculate, but I'm going to put 999 here. I'm going to do this Canada 899, and here 135. Let's write 10.99 and see. Yeah, it's perfect, $2. Here you can check the royalties, the rate, printing price, and here we can check expanded distribution, and if it's not a wow, Amazon is going to untick this. So everything is perfect, and now we just need to publish our paperback book. Just wait few seconds and our book is going to be live. Not live, but it's going to be on preview. So this is how it looks. This is our title and subtitle. After that, when they approve the book, we can change the cover, we can change the interior, we can change the description, 7 keyword boxes and categories, but we cannot change the title and subtitle. That's why we need to take our time and do our research properly, enter the best combination of keywords in our title and subtitle, because we can't change this anymore, and the rest is going to be on our 7 keyword boxes. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. All related links will be down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.